Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add Google Finance in Excel. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Microsoft Excel either on your desktop app or on your browser app. To begin, select a cell from your datasheet and type in the company name of the stocks that you want to monitor or the what we call ticker symbol of that company. For Apple, for example, I'm going to type in AAPL. After that, we're going to go to data on the top corner of the screen and we're going to click on stocks. Make sure that before you do this step, you currently selected the cell that you type your ticker symbol in. After that, on the right corner, you'll see the stocks related to the ticker symbol that you type, AAPL. Now, choose one and click on Select. After that, the cell should be converted to this right here. To verify, click on this symbol right here, and you'll see the details of that stocks. Now, if you want to add in data, simply hover your mouse and click right here on the Insert Data. And then, from the options below, you can click on this and the data that shows here will be added in this window right here. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!